Okay. Right now I'm about to review a candle lighter. This is it here, and this candle lighter, I'm having a hard time opening it. Came this afternoon. Shipping is very fast. Ordered it Tuesday, and yet it came in Thursday. Pretty awesome. Today is Thursday, of course. I would think it would come Friday, but guess they can't wait till. There you go. That's it right there. And let's see if I can take this off. Yeah. Okay. Apparently, you have to use, and let's say in order to light this candle, it has to be charged. Of course, it probably isn't charged. There it is. Trying to light this thing. Yeah. Now, how I lit it, you can tell this thing's fully charged. I'm glad it's fully charged. I didn't have to, charge it up. But it's kind of like it's kind of like a taser. It creates a little spark. That spark, of course, I had a hard time by holding this camera phone and lighting it. The spark lit the candle, and there you go. And you don't have to use any kind of lighter fluid or nothing, and you can pretty much use it anywhere. You can use it to cook, or you can use it to do other things. If you don't have any lighter fluid, this is great if you in such emergencies or anything else. In fact, it's kind of convenient. Battery life is probably 4 hours or so, but the link is in the description, and if you want to buy it. So it's made by, of course, Arab or Nerb or something. I don't know what it is. I think it's Nerb, but yet this is pretty awesome. So that's it. This is the candle lighter. Link is in the description.